Wall Street is set to soar higher on Tuesday. The countdown to the Thanksgiving Day holiday is on, and market conditions are sure to thin out. Now, there are ongoing concerns about whether a deal on tax reform will be finalized by the end of the year. Earnings from Lowe's, Medtronic, Hormel Foods, and Dollar Tree top forecasts and lifted futures prices. Also, corporate results from Intuit, Palo Alto Networks, and Agilent boosted prices. Looking at the previous session, U.S. indices closed higher on Monday, boosted by shares in autos and components, telecom services, as well as semiconductor and semiconductor equipment sectors. 56% of S&P 500 constituents traded higher yesterday. Now moving on to today's company news, AT&T and Time Warner are in the spotlight. The Justice Department filed an antitrust lawsuit to block AT&T from taking over Time Warner. The suit claims that the deal would raise prices for consumers and slow the transition to other distribution models. AT&T says the move was a radical departure from decades of antitrust regulation. Moving on to Palo Alto Networks, the company reported earnings and revenue ahead of analyst forecasts. The cybersecurity company got a lift in business in the aftermath of the Equifax data breach and ransomware attacks. Looking at overseas markets, Asian markets are higher today. The Nikkei up 0.7%, Hang Seng up 1.9%, and South Korea's Kospi gaining 0.1%. European indices are gaining ground. Here in the U.S., the Nasdaq is in the spotlight. The bias remains bullish, and long positions above 62.91 are preferred, with targets at 63.36 and 63.49 in extension. As for the S&P 500, the bias remains bullish, and for the Dow Industrials, the upside does prevail.